Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Under reflection of light, I have a question for you that says study the diagram below, and we have the the incident ray and the reflected ray. The angle which is being made between the normal and the incident ray is actually 35, and the angle being made between the media, which is the surface, and the reflected ray is 75. And this is, we've got medium 1, our air, and we've got another medium, water. It says calculate the refractive index of water and the critical angle of the medium. So let me just say of the media even here. Now, how are we? What's the approach to this question, if I may ask? So the first thing that you need to know here is that to find the refractive index, you need the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction. So to answer part 1, we need R. Sorry, let me start with I. We need I, which is the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is the angle between this line that you are seeing here and that line there, which is 35 degrees. And R is the angle of refraction, which is the angle between this and this. So we need this angle, not that one there. Now they have given us this angle to help us find this angle. Always use this angle. You know that the angle being formed here is 90, so we say 90 degrees minus 75. I'm sure this one will give us 25 degrees. Is it? Or 15? Yeah, I think 15, yes. So this one will give us 15 degrees. This is the angle that we're going to use, and not the 75. The 75 is not the angle of refraction because it's between the surface and the incident, sorry, and the refraction, the reflected ray. But the ray which we need, so the angle is the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. I hope that's clear now. So you know that the angle of the refractive index is equal to sine I over sine R. So sine I is just the sine of the angle of incidence and over the sine of angle of what? Reflection. So what do we get? So sine 35 we divide by sine 15, I'm getting 2 point something. It's giving me 2.2. Let's say 22. It doesn't have to have units, it's a ratio. Now this may not be the exact refractive index of maybe air or water, but this video is just about showing you on how to go about if you're asked to find such type of questions. So we are done with the refractive index. Number 2, which is part 2, we're talking about the critical angle of the medium. Now, the critical angle and the refractive index, they are related by the equation 1 over sine C, where C is a critical angle. So what are we saying? We are saying sine C is equal to 1 over the critical angle, right? So let's go. Sine C is equal to 1 over 2.22. So now we know when we under trigonometry to find the C, we just say C is equal to, we find the inverse of this fraction. Then we have found the angle. So to do that, go on your calculator, punch shift. Have you punch shift? Can you see a S on the top corner there, left corner? Yeah, I'm sure you can see. Then punch sine. I'm sure you can see a negative on sine and a negative on top, right? Then open your brackets, place 1, then division sign, then 2.22, then close the brackets, then punch equal sign. For me, it's giving me 26.7, let's say 0.8, okay, 77 degrees. If you got this, you are very much right. If you didn't, follow my instruction again and make sure you get the answer correct. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's as simple as that. From the best science tutor, I'm here to help you. Our online classes are ongoing. You can inbox us for more, and we can tell the prices for both chemistry and English. Not only those, but we also teach mathematics, English language, and so many more subjects. For more information, visit our page on PVS the Tutor Learning Academy or follow us on YouTube and TikTok. Cheers.